The topic is spurious or chance. Okay. The topic is spurious or chance or nonsense correlation. Okay. So what is the meaning of this one? See here. The correlation. Okay. Correlation between variables. Variables which are not related. Which are not related in a casual fashion. Casual fashion is not zero. Okay. That is or xy will not be equal to 0. See, for example, see, I'm taking example. Okay, for example, the I want to find the correlation between. Okay, I want to find the correlation between height of a person. Okay, height of person and okay, and income of a person. Income of a person. Okay, see here. Okay, the height of the person I'm taking as x. Okay, and income of person I'm taking as y. See here, the variable are not related. Okay, not related in casual fashion. Not related in casual fashion. Okay, that is the variable x and y independent. Okay, independent. Okay, see here uh, the correlation between the correlation between the height of a person and the income of a person is no meaning. Okay, okay, there is no meaning of this one. Okay, there is no meaningful. Okay, so that is it is not related in a casual fashion. Okay, so this correlation will be zero. Okay, but if this correlation comes okay, if this correlation comes not equal to 0, then we will say this correlation is called spurious chance and nonsense correlation. Okay, the correlation between these types of variables should come 0. Okay, the correlation between these type of variable should come 0. But if it is came not equal to 0, then we will say this correlation is spurious chance or nonsense correlation. Okay, so that is x and y forces operating on each of the variable. Each of the variable in a series or independent. Okay, so here the uh, in this example, the forces operating on the variable are independent. Okay, so this variable depend on some other variable forces, and this variable depend on some other forces. So this variable is independent, but if the correlation will come not equal to 0, then we will say it is called spurious correlation. Okay, spurious a chance correlation. Okay, so the correlation between the variables which are not related in a casual fashion is not 0. Okay, so actually it should come 0, but if the correlation will come not 0, then we will say the spurious chance and nonsense correlation. Okay, so this is the meaning of this one, nonsense correlation.